Good morning everybody. Today we will learn about continue the problem. I did mention the last class fifth problem. Now start the sixth problem. Madan and company purchased a machinery on 1st January 2011. 1st January 2011 for rupees 80,000. For rupees 80,000 and spent 4,000 for its installation The estimated life of the mission is 10 years. 10 years with a scrap value rupees 4,000. Books are closed on 31st December every year. 31st December every year. Calculate annual amount of depreciation. And machinery account under the straight line method. For first 3 years. Okay, that's it. Problem. Madan and company purchased a machinery on 1st January. Now, if a purchase a machine beginning, depreciation charged the full year for rupees 80,000 and spent 4,000 for its installation. Purchase price plus installation cost total 84,000. The estimated life of the machine is 10 years with a scrap value of rupees 4,000. Books are closed every year. December. January to December full year. Now first year full year used. Calculate annual amount of depreciation and machinery account under the straight line method for first 3 years. Let's start the solution. Original cost of the machinery rupees 80,000 plus installation 4,000, total 84,000. Next, estimated scrap value or residual value. Scrap value of the machinery rupees 4,000. Next, estimated useful life of the machinery 10 years. Now, annual depreciation formula. Annual depreciation is equal to original cost of the asset means machinery. Original cost of the machinery minus estimated scrap value or residual value. Estimated scrap value or residual value by estimated useful life of the asset. Life of the asset means life of the machinery. Now first, original cost of the machinery 80,000 plus installation charges total 84,000 minus estimated scrap value 4,000 by how many years? 10 years is equal to 84 minus 4, 80,000 by 10 calculation, remaining 8,000. 8,000 is an annual amount of depreciation. Annual amount of depreciation. Okay, that's it. Find out the annual amount of depreciation. And next, straight line and machinery account prepare under straight line method. First 3 years. Now every year depreciation 8,000. Now original cost of the machine 80 plus 4 84,000. 84,000. Now first year depreciation 8,000. 0 0 0 14 minus 8 6 7. Okay, next second year continue. The machine was full year used January to December 2012. Again 8,000 under straight line method. 0 0 0 8 6 68,000. 11 12 13 full year January to December. Again 8,000 depreciation. 0 0 0 0. Next 6. Here after 3 years the machine value 60,000. Okay, let's start the machinery account. Motherland Company machinery account of Motherland Company. Machinery account of Motherland Company under straight line method. Format similar to the ledger format. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Same credit set, date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Debit set. Same credit set, date, particulars, JF number, amount rupees. Particulars, amount rupees. Particulars, JF number, amount, rupees, credit set. Okay, first, Madan and Company purchased a mission on 1st January 2011 for rupees 80,000 and spent 4,000 installation, total 84,000. Purchase entry, missionary account debtor to bank account. 2011 January 1st to bank account 80,000 plus 4,000, total 84,000. At the end of the accounting period, every year charge depreciation. Now January to December, full year 2011, December 31st. Every year books are closed 31st December by depreciation account. Depreciation account 8,000. Annual amount of depreciation 8,000. Next 84,000 minus 8,000. Remaining balance 76,000. Same date by balance carry down 76,000. Now both side debit and credit equal. Both side 84,000. 84,000. Okay, that's it. First year completed. And next the second year, carry down next forward to the brought down 2012 January 1st to balance brought down. Second year balance 76,000. Next second year machinery full used. The depreciation calculation year January to December 2012, ending date December 31st. Again depreciation account. Depreciation account. Under second method, same first installment, second installment 8,000. Now 76,000 minus 8,000, remaining balance 68,000. By balance carry down 68,000. Now both sides 76,000. 76,000. That's it, second year. Now third year, carry down next forward to the brought down 2013 January 1st to balance brought down. Now third year balance present 68,000. Now machinery used for the third year full year January to December. Now calculating the third year depreciation 8,000. 2013 December 31st by depreciation account 8,000. Now 68,000 minus 8,000, remaining balance 60,000. Same date by balance carry down 60,000. Now both sides 68,000. Okay, that's it. Third year. Clear? Next, after fourth year, carry down next brought down 2014 January 1st to balance brought down 60,000. That's it, answer. After 3 years, the present value of the machinery 60,000. Clear? Now first year depreciation 8,000, second year 8,000, third year 8,000. Now first purchase entry, machinery account debtor to bank account. Depreciation chargeable entry, depreciation account debtor to machinery account. At the end of the accounting period, the depreciation transferred to the profit and loss account. Entry, profit and loss account debtor to depreciation account. Okay, that's it. Next, seventh problem. Problem number 7. On 1st January 2011, Raghavendra Traders purchased furniture for rupees 60,000. For rupees 60,000, depreciation is to be at the rate of 10% per annum. Per annum means per year. On straight line method. Okay, and next, the books are closed. 31st December every year. 31st December every year. Prepare furniture account for first 4 years. Okay, that's it problem. Now given the information, on 1st January Raghavendra Traders purchased a furniture. Same, beginning of the purchase of machinery, full year chargeable to the depreciation 60,000, directly rate of depreciation 10% per annum. 60,000 into 10 divided by 100, per annum depreciation 6,000. First year used full year 6,000, second year used 6,000, third year used 6,000, fourth year 6,000. Every year closed December, January to December. Furniture account first 4 years. Now let's start the solution. Furniture account of Raghavendra Traders. Furniture account of Raghavendra Traders under straight line method. Okay, first entry, purchase entry. Furniture account data to bank account 2011 January 1st. Furniture value 60,000. Now first year fully used depreciation chargeable every year ending 2011 December 31st by depreciation account 6,000. 60,000 into 10 divided by 100, 6,000. Now remaining balance 60,000 minus 6,000, 54,000. 54,000 same date, but balance carried on. Now both side 60,000. 60,000. Now complete the first year. Next the second year, carried on forward to the brought down. Next year 2012 January 1st to balance brought down. 54,000. Same second year, mission used full January to December. Under straight line method, same 6,000 decrease 2,000 12 December 31st by depreciation account 6,000. Next 54,000 minus 6,000, remaining balance 48,000. Same debt by balance carried. Now both side 54,000. Second year completed. Okay, next carry down forward to the breakdown. 2013 January 1st to balance brought down 48,000. Same third year chargeable. 2013 December 31st by depreciation account 6,000. Next same date remaining balance carried on 42,000. Both side 48,000. Okay, that's it. Third year. Next fourth year carried on forward to the breakdown. 13 next 2014 January 1st to balance brought down 42,000. Next pending depreciation 2014 December 31st by depreciation account 6,000. Now remaining balance 42 minus 6 36,000. Now both side 42,000. Okay, first 4 years. Now preparing the machinery account. Last carried on next brought down. 2015 January 1st to balance brought down. After 4 years, the machinery present value 36,000. That's it. Solution.